Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel Latest Research. So today I will talk about a new research topic as a novel glass material is developed from organic and inorganic components. Researchers from Jena and Cambridge developed glass materials with novel combination of properties, and this research is done on November 16, 2020. The source of this topic is Friedrich Schiller University, Jena, Germany, and University of Cambridge, UK. And the summary of this is that the researchers have succeeded in creating a new class of hybrid glass material that combine organic and inorganic components. To do this, scientists use a special material combination in which chemical bonds between organometallic and inorganic glasses can be generated. They included materials composed of organometallic network, and organometallic network is also known as metal organic frameworks. Linkage between organic and inorganic materials are a common phenomena in nature, such as in construction of bones and skeleton structure. This achieves a control of porosity which can be adopted to a large number of applications, both in terms of the size of the pores and their permeability. And permeability means it is the ability to of a porous material to allow fluid to pass through it, and in terms of the chemical properties prevailing on the pore surfaces. For example, membranes and storage devices for gases and liquids, supports for catalyst or new types of components for electrical energy storage devices can be designed. A researcher, Louis Longley, also said the chemical design of metal organic frameworks materials follows a modular principle, according to which inorganic nodes are connected to one another via organic molecules to form a three-dimensional network. This results in an almost infinite variety of possible structure. A few of these structure can be converted into a glassy state by heat treatment, while crystalline metal organic frameworks materials are typically synthesized in powder form. The liquid and glass state opens up a wide range of processing options and potential shapes. Researchers Courtney Kelhaw, a senior scientist at the chair of glass chemistry at Friedrich Schiller University, Jena, Germany, also said the combination of such metal organic frameworks derived glasses with classic inorganic glass material could make it possible to combine the best of both worlds. Lothar Wondrakchek, professor of glass chemistry in Jena, also explains only in this way can really new properties be obtained. So this is a kind of glass, a latest research about a new glass materials which is developed or made by from organic and inorganic component. Thank you for watching my video. Please keep support, subscribe my channel, and like and comment on my video. Thank you.